So now since I have to go and have a dependency, I go and make use of npm, and I'm saying npm install, and let me go and call make use of express. What express is, don't worry now, I'll have a separate session where we talk mainly around the express. But for now, just think that express is a dependency, is a external dependency which my project depends on. So I go and say that npm installed express. If I go and click enter, as soon as I do it, you'll see that few more changes has happened in this entire project. So the first point that I want you guys to be focused upon is to have any dependency, you make use of this keyword called as npm install. This is the keyword which is always fixed, and this is basically the dependency that you want to install. Since I have an active internet connection right now, it is saying that when I did this, 58 packages got created. So it brought it express, and if you see on the left hand side, initially I only had package.json. But now I have two additional files that have got created. I have got created this package lock.json, and I have also something called as node.mod.